How to add your payment method to your AdSense account. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add your bank account to your AdSense in order for you to be able to withdraw your earnings from your YouTube account. So this is what you need to do. You need to go to your AdSense account. So you need to go to your AdSense like this and go to payment info. Click on the three line icon like this, go to payment info and click on payment info like this. So right here you are going to see where it says how to get paid. But before doing this, or before seeing this option, you need to have received a particular amount of money on your AdSense. That is the first money on your AdSense. After you have monetized your YouTube channel, they're going to pay you the first money. That first money that they're going to pay you, whatsoever the amount is, it must be around let's say $50 or $40 or that. No matter the amount it is, after receiving it on your AdSense, you are going to be able to see the option of add payment method, which is this. So in order for you to add the payment method, you need to go ahead and click on add payment method like this. But before adding the payment method, you must have created your domiciliary account, that is your dollar account. If you are in Nigeria, you must have created a dollar account so that you can be able to add the dollar account right here, or whichever country you are from. So right here you're going to see add new wire transfer details, and also you can see here add new check details. So you need to go ahead and select add new wire transfer details. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and input your beneficiary ID, which is actually optional. Looking here you can see name on bank account. Looking here you can see bank name, and right here you can see SWIFT code. You can also see account number. You can see where they ask you to type your account number. So for this SWIFT code, you can get that from your bank, or you can just search on your browser, search for, let's say you are using UBA, you can just go ahead and search for UBA SWIFT code, and you're going to see exactly UBA SWIFT code depending on the bank you are using. If it is just any bank, depending on the bank you are using, just any bank, you can search for their SWIFT code online, or you can go to the bank direct and get their SWIFT code. Ask the person that opened the account for you, and that person is going to give you your SWIFT code. It is actually a general thing, so you need to come right here and fill in this detail. So after filling in your details, just make sure that the details you are inputting right here is very correct, because it is actually going to affect your payments. So if you do any mistake in the SWIFT code, or in the bank name, or in your name, or in the account number, it is actually going to affect the money you are supposed to receive. You won't be able to receive it on the bank that you intend to put here. So you just need to go ahead and input a correct detail. If you're not sure of any detail, go ahead and do your research. Calm down and do the research and input it right here. After that, looking here at the bottom, you can see save. You need to go ahead and click on save and save the information. So once you do that, looking here, you've been able to add your payment method. You can as well click on remove and remove your payment method if you don't want it. So let's say I go back to my AdSense like this and scroll like this. You can now see that I've been able to add my payment method right here. So this is how simple it is to do that. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.